So now my next example, of course a square pattern only with a small change. Suppose if I provided n is equal to 3. Now instead of star symbol, I have to print output as 333 and 333 like. So instead of star symbol, what I have to print is n, I mean 3 whatever number you entered. Similarly, if I provide n is equal to 4, n number of rows is the 4, then my answer should be 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4. Okay, like this is the output I have to get, sir. Can you please write the code? Of course, very basic example. So if you are strong at basic level, then a big pattern is going to come. Then we are in the position to answer very easily, sir. That's my intention. How you can write the code? Very simple. So first read n value. Read n value. N is equal to int of input of enter number of rows. Enter number of rows like I'm taking, sir. Next, for I in range of n. So n times this for loop is going to be repeated, means n rows are going to come. In each row, what I have to take? In each row, what I require to take? Sir, this n number we have to print. N number we require to print with the spaces separator. Okay, like, sir, n is a number. So what I have to take is, sir, observe very carefully, str of n. I am converting this n to string plus okay, space, plus a space. Now means that, okay, assume 3 space is going to come. How many times I have to repeat this 3 in every row? Sir, 3 times, means n times. So print this number with the space. How many times, right? N times. This is my requirement. Okay, print of, observe very carefully, sir, str of n, str of n plus empty string. Okay, str of n plus empty string. Number, sir, space will come. Here spaces are not empty string with a space character. Sir, how many times I have to repeat this one? N number of times. That's all. So can you take n number of rows? In every row, sir, print this number n times. Print this number n times with the space. Okay, number followed by space. How many times I have to print? N times. Then simple, sir. If you entered 4, yes, 4 4 4 like it's going to come. If you entered 3 like this, it's going to come, sir. Have a look once. Let me execute this code. Sir, observe what is the enter number of rows. N value is the clear. Enter number of rows. Sir, for I in range of n. For I in range of n, sir. Now what I have to take, sir? Print of str of n. Okay, sir, plus here just empty. I mean what? Space character I'm taking, sir. This total thing, this total string, how many times I have to repeat, sir? N times I have to repeat. That's all, friends. Nothing. Sir, do you know? Sir, convert this number to string plus a space. String number space. Can you please take how many times? N times. So for every row, take this one, sir. N number of rows will be there. Then obviously our required output is going to come. Have a look once. What the answer we are going to get, sir? Okay. Now see, enter number of rows 3, sir. 3. What output we are getting? 3 like perfect. Now let me enter 4, sir. Let me take 4. Then automatically 4 like. Let me enter 5, sir. Then obviously 5 is going to come. Let me enter 7. then 7777 like perfectly it's going to work, sir. Don't worry at all. Are you getting right? So compulsory, friends, before going for next example, first you have to type this code, you have to execute this code, you require to analyze this code, then only go for next level. Otherwise you can't get that much easily. Clear?